right, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It is Wednesday night, so we're here doing another portfolio review video as we do every single Wednesday. These videos are really more about just for me to kind of document what I'm buying, why I'm buying it, and a way to kind of look back and reflect on my investing journey and what I'm doing. The bigger part of our channel is our financial education videos, and those we shoot on Saturdays. So if you find those interesting or helpful, I'd always encourage you to come back on Saturdays, that is. And this week, we are getting so close. I know I've said this in a couple videos, but I'm getting pretty pumped. So we set a goal to start this year of hitting 500 subscribers by the end of the year. We're over 450, and we're probably going to crack that mark somewhere. I don't know if we'll be able to do it by April, but I'm pretty sure we'll do it by May, which to me is mind-blowing. I can't believe all the support that we've got. And when we hit the 500 subscribers, we're going to do some sort of giveaway, probably a gift card or something. But I'd encourage you to come back once we hit that mark. We'll post here on YouTube for how to enter into the giveaway and what we're going to do with that. And as I state in every single video, now that you know we're going to do a giveaway, I'd encourage it even more. But if you find these videos helpful and you like the content, please smash the like button and subscribe. It really helps support our channel and it's really helping us grow. So for this week, we've got our portfolio up here for Robinhood. And again, the growth has just been nuts. Every week I feel like we're up another $1,000 or $1,500. So we are up to now $86,000. We're getting close to 87. And the first thing that we're going to buy this week, which shouldn't come as a surprise to anybody, is VTI. So when I go in here, I'm going to stick to the strategy. I'm going to put in 50% of the money that we're investing this week. So you're going to see this number looks a little bit goofy because what I'm going to put in isn't 50% of this, and I'll explain why as we get into it further. I actually sold some of my risk or my high risk stocks right at the end of the day today just to give us some more money to put that in a different location. So out of the money that we invested, if I'm going to put 50% in, we're going to put $451 into VTI. And that'll go in, like I always state, tomorrow morning. So we'll get that in. Mark this as done. Go back to the portfolio. And VTI has been doing good for us. The other company, and I'm staying true to my word, I've been investing in this company now for quite a few weeks, is this Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing. And again, biggest thing, not only do I believe in the company, the products, there's a shortage in semiconductors, they pay dividends, right? There's a lot of good things going on here. They're still only trading at $117. And if I go down here and look at fair market value, and I've talked about this before, right, it's at 133. So I think there's a lot of potential for this company to continue to grow. And if I can continue to buy them at a discount, I'm going to do it. So scroll back up to the top here. Let's put in $360 into TSM this week. So we'll get the 360 going. Review the order and buy. And now, the last company that I'm going to buy, and don't call me crazy on this one, some people have recently, is the remaining funds we're actually going to put into Plug Power. So I know the share price for Plug Power, I'll just pull up the 3-month view, I'm sure it'll show it in here, was all the way up to $73 a share. It is now plummeted all the way down to $27. So I know a lot of people have said, why do you continue investing in that company? The share price has been on a tear in the wrong way. It's not a good company to be in. And I just have to stress, I'm in this for the long haul. I've done a lot of research on Plug Power, and yeah, their share price has been going down. But I'm confident that 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now, this company is really going to start to excel with the green energy movement and all that stuff. Their two biggest customers are Amazon and Walmart, which they're both helping go green and carbon neutral. So for me, the fact that the share prices fell does nothing but allow me to buy at a bigger discount. So I'm going to put the remaining funds in here. So it looks like we got 407.84. So we'll come over here and type that in. The other thing that I want to talk about too, in buying this Plug Power company, is I've actually consolidated. So why that number was so high, it's actually higher than what I put even in TSM. And normally I state I only put 10% of my funds in high risk growth, right? Every single week I got 50% going in index funds, no matter how much I invest. I've got 40% going in large cap dividend stocks, and then I reserve that 10% for high risk growth. I sold off some of my other high risk growth companies specifically to put the money in Plug Power. So, I've always encouraged, a lot of my content on this channel is geared towards beginners, and I tell beginners buy index funds, diversify as much as possible because it mitigates your risk and allows for a safe investment. I'm doing the exact opposite with Plug Power, but I want to explain why. So first of all, I'm only putting 10% in high risk growth, right? So I'm already protected there. And as far as diversification goes, I've got $70,000 that's in index funds like the total stock market and VOO. I'm more than good on being diversified. But that 10% high risk growth, I am really trying to target that into a company that I do a lot of research and belief in versus diversifying that 10% into a lot of high risk growth companies. So at one point I had that 10%, part of it's in Tesla, part of it was in NEO, part of it was in Grow Generations. I had Laser, I had Ballard Power Systems. I had a lot of different companies. And at the end of the day, while that does protect your investment, it also really limits your growth. So, I've talked about it in so many videos that I believe so much in Plug Power. If that's really the case, and I have done my homework, then there should be nothing wrong with me investing all of that 10% into this company to really try and generate some growth. And again, if there are any beginners watching, because that's the basis of the people that watch my channel, the only reason why I feel comfortable in doing this is because I've got such a large portfolio built up with all of those index funds. So even if, yes, I've got a lot of beliefs in Plug Power and this company absolutely fizzles out, and let's say it loses another 50% of its value or 75% of its value, while that would suck, that's not why I'm investing in them. It's not gonna kill me any. I'll still end up being okay. So I think diversification is good, and index funds will always give you that. But if you're really looking at growth potential, I think your best bet is to hone in on specific companies, do your research and due diligence, and if you truly believe in them, then invest in those companies once you've got that stable base built. All right, so I go back to the portfolio here. Just kind of the last things that I'm going to do for the week, like I always do. Obviously, it was a good day here. After hours, we lost a little bit, but we made almost $1,000. If I look at the last week, so the market has been relatively down so far this week, but hey, we're still up 92 bucks. And anytime I'm making money, I'm a happy guy. If I go to the last month, so things have been relatively good lately. We've made $4,000 over the last month. The 3-month return is $4,200 because, again, once I go back a couple of months, things were a little bit shaky in the market. And then if I click on lifetime, we're still up $8,400. So, a lot of stable growth. It's over 10%. Very, very happy with the returns on the portfolio. And yeah, that's really all I got for this week. Like I said earlier, if you like this content, please smash that like button and subscribe. Other than that, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll see you back here on Saturday for those financial education videos. If I don't see you on Saturday, hopefully I see you back here next week, Wednesday, when we shoot another one of the portfolio reviews. Thanks for watching.